Protecting your brand new Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a must, especially considering its hefty price tag. But why settle for any case when you can have the best? In today's video, we're showcasing 5 top-tier protective cases that not only shield your phone from bumps, scratches, and drops, but also add a touch of style. From sleek, minimalist designs to rugged, heavy-duty options, we've got a case to match every need and personality. So, let's explore the best ways to protect your premium investment. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 Flip Suitcase is not just a protective accessory, it's a statement piece. This case features interactive and interchangeable cards that sync with your front screen, creating a seamless, stylish look. But that's not all. The designs respond to motion and touch, making your phone come to life with every move. And for that extra wow factor, the LEDs on the Flip Suit card light up and sparkle, adding a whole new dimension of self-expression. Customize your style effortlessly by choosing from a variety of interactive cards. Just pick your favorite, insert it into the Flip Suitcase, and watch your Galaxy Z Flip 6 transform in an instant. Protect your phone and flex your style with this innovative and stylish case. Looking for a case that's both rugged and stylish for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6? The Subcase has you covered. Compatible with both the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Flip 5, it offers precise cutouts for a flawless fit. Made from high-quality PC and TPU materials, this case is shockproof and exceeds military standards, surviving drops from 48 inches high, tested 26 times. The aesthetic design provides 360-degree protection, while the functional pop-out kickstand offers a 56-degree viewing angle and doubles as a ring holder for convenience. The built-in front screen protector ensures scratch resistance without compromising sensitivity. Plus, the unique hinge protection technology absorbs shocks, keeping your hinge safe from everyday impacts. Its lightweight design with a detachable rotating holster makes it easy to carry for your favorite shows, movies, and games, whether at the office or outdoors. Protect and enjoy your Galaxy Z Flip 6 with Subcase. Discover the perfect blend of style and protection with the Rokkey Fusion case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. This case is not only compatible with MagSafe, but also designed with precise cutouts for ultimate protection and accessibility. Featuring a clear polycarbonate back panel and a durable TPU frame, the Rokkey Fusion showcases your phone's sleek design while providing robust defense. Enjoy the convenience of wireless charging and compatibility with phone grips, making your daily use seamless. Worried about accidental drops? The built-in lanyard hole offers an extra layer of security. With the Rokkey Fusion, you get a case that's stylish, functional, and protective. Keep your Galaxy Z Flip 6 safe and looking great with the Rokkey Fusion case. Introducing the Makavo case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, where protection, style, and convenience come together seamlessly. Designed with an embedded metal ring on the back panel, it's fully compatible with MagSafe accessories, making wireless charging simpler and more efficient. Enjoy the convenience of magnetic accessories while simplifying your life. Your phone's screen and camera are well protected with a built-in tempered glass screen protector and raised lips around the camera, keeping scratches at bay while maintaining crystal-clear display quality and a smooth touch experience. Thoughtful details make this case a standout choice. Enlarged button cutouts offer easy access, and a built-in flannel safeguards your phone's back cover. Plus, the included double-sided tape ensures your case stays firmly in place, and the rubber oil coating provides a delicate, smooth touch. Despite the increased thickness from 1.5mm to 2.3mm, the Makavo case remains slim and light, significantly enhancing drop protection without compromising on style. Experience the perfect blend of form and function with the stylish and durable Makavo case. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a premium device that demands superior protection, and the UAG case delivers just that. Constructed with a featherlight PC backplate and a TPU shock-absorbing frame, it offers a robust defense with its impact-resistant soft core and armor shell. The air-soft corners cushion any impacts, while the clean, clear, translucent body features advanced anti-yellowing technology to keep it looking pristine. The UAG case is also compatible with magnetic charging. A built-in magnet module ensures a seamless attach experience and faster wireless charging. Designed with a minimalist, stylish touch, the case features a soft, raised screen perimeter to protect your screen, and a raised camera bezel to safeguard your lens. The ultra-responsive, oversized tactile buttons deliver a crisp and clean click feel, providing easy and full access to the touchscreen and ports. With an open hinge design, you get maximum device functionality. The precise fit two-piece application snaps securely into place, with adhesive included to bond the device to the case. Plus, it meets military-grade drop test standards, offering increased shock protection. With the UAG case, your Galaxy Z Flip 6 is not just protected, it's armored with style. And there you have it, 5 top-notch cases to protect and personalize your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Which one will you choose to protect and style your phone? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.